Hi, I'm Dr. Sean. I'm here with one of my patients from 8 years ago. We did his hair transplant.
That's me.
Yeah, and still the hair transplant looking amazing. And the reason for that is this is an art. And when you do hair restoration, it has to frame your face and it has to look natural and age appropriate. So even at 7 years past the hair transplant, 10 years past the hair transplant, it still frames your face well and natural. And this is so important. And this is key. And so how has it been for the past 8 years?
Yeah, that's been great. You know, I never get used to watching, in the mirror every morning. I always am excited about it, believe it or not, because I appreciate it a lot. It's really it was easy to do. I didn't think it was a great effort on my part at all. It was literally painless, and I'm very pleased. I couldn't be happier, really.
Wonderful. Thanks so much for
It looks
following
great. No one has ever thought it didn't look real, which is important to me. You know, you want something that looks natural, like the doctor says here. You don't want to look, you want it to be conservative in a way, but natural is the key. And I think he achieved that here perfectly.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you.